Hi friends, how are you all? Once again, welcome back to my another video. Welcome back to my channel. These rocks serve many purposes. Some people collect them as tokens of joy or luck. Others use them as decorative accents in gardens, flower pots, or bookshelves. They make thoughtful gifts, personalized pet memorials, or even kind tokens left in public spaces as part of community. Rock hiding projects meant to spread smiles and unexpected moments of happiness. What makes animal painted rocks truly special is the love and creativity infused into each one. No two are exactly alike, as every rock has its own shape and texture. Guiding the artist's vision, they are a celebration of nature's beauty, both in the raw form of the stone and the wild spirit of the animals. They holding one feel like holding a tiny piece of magic, a fusion of the earth's calm, strength, and the playful spark of life. Animal painted rocks are not just objects, they are tiny worlds waiting to be discovered. They invite you to pause, observe, and appreciate the blend of simplicity and creativity. A rock that once sat forgotten in the soil now carries the soul of a panda clinging to a bamboo shoot, or a wise old elephant with wrinkles delicately traced along its trunk. There is an intimacy in their small size. You can hold an entire story in your palm. For artists, the creation of each animal rock is an act of meditation. It begins with selecting the right stone. Not just any rock will do. Some artists spend hours collecting stones, studying their shape and weight, waiting for the right inspiration. A rounded pebble might whisper the idea of a curled up kitten. A triangular rock might suggest the peak of an eagle or the snout of a curious pig. The stone's surface is cleaned, primed, and then the slow layering of paint begins. Every brush stroke requires patience. First come the base tones, earthy browns, sky blues, deep blacks. Then the features emerge, a soft glint in a puppy's eye, the flutter of feathers on a robin's breast, the playful smile of a dolphin caught mid-leap. Artists often add their own unique flair. Some may paint tiny golden constellations on the fur of a wolf. Others may embellish a butterfly's wings with swirling, dreamlike partners. Their creativity is limitless, and the results are often breathtaking. Many collections of animal painted rocks speak of the emotional connection they feel with these tiny treasures. A painted likeness of a beloved pet can serve as a heartfelt tribute, offering comfort long after the animal has passed. Others commission rocks with favorite animals like owls, symbolizing wisdom, or foxes, representing cleverness as talismans for their decks of nightstands. Children, especially, are drawn to the magic of these painted creatures. They see them as storybook characters come to life, guardians of dreams or secret friends to be tucked under pillows. I really hope that you like my information. Bye bye, guys. Take care of yourself. Love you all. Remember me in your prayer and enjoy your day. Thanks for watching.